Hello CMS students, welcome to my channel. If you new here, please like, share, subscribe. Today I will bring you for you page number 212 in the institute material for updated material. So question number 5th on the basis of bad debts problem. So on the let's begin. If new to channel, please like, share, subscribe. So on 31st December 2014, sundry debtors and provisions for bad debts stood at 60,000 and 4,500. So 4,500 respectively. During the year 2015, the bad debts were amounting for 3,460 were written off on the 31st 2015. The amount of rupees 240 was received on account of debt written off as a bad last year. The debtors list on 31st December 2015 was verified and it was found against sundry debtors amounting rupees 40,680. Sir Decharam, who owed 6,680, was written off as a bad. So it was decided to maintain the provisions of our bad debts at the same percentage as it was on the 31st December 2014. Prepare bad debts account from the provisions for bad debts account, and also shown the relevance would be appear in the profit and loss account balance sheet. So first of all, we calculated bad debts account. So provision for bad debts account. So same this method is problem, here it is same problem. So in the books of bad debts account, so now we will calculate it. So now we will calculate bad debts account. So now in the calculator bad debts account. So in the books of bad debts account. So account always like this. So in the you can write this in the neatly. I just understand purpose, I will like do this. So particulars, amount, particulars from the debit and credit. So first of all, we calculated bad debt. What is the bad debts included? To sundry debtors. So sundry debtors was 2,000, 13, 3,000. So same, this method is same. So bad debts were amounting 3,460. So 3,460 is the bad debts. So refers to the question during the 2015, the bad debts were amounting 3,460 was written off. 3,460 was written off. So 3,000 written off. So same like this, this method. So 3,460. So 4,660 to sundry debtors. Yes. So sundry debtors account. So sundry debtors. So sundry debtors account. So 3,460. Next, what the question here? Same again. To buy provisions of 3,000 account. By provisions of 3,800 we will discuss. So X account, what is this? 800. So here it is on the customer have returned 6,080. We found owed by bad, written as a bad debt. Written off bad debt. So 6,080 we will add it here. 6,080. So by provisions of bad provisions. So by provisions of bad debt, so total we 3,800. So total we calculated 3,460 plus 680, 4,140. 4,140. This will be provision for the bad debts. So 4,400, 4,140 will be calculated. So total balance 4,140. So total 4,140. So this is in the books of bad debts. Now we will calculate the provisions for doubtful debts. So now what is the provision for doubtful debts? So already 5,000 is respectively. So here it is 4,500. So already provisions for same. We subtracted here provisions for clear. So provision for bad debt, doubtful debt account. So this method, same method, but amount will be changed. So provision for bad debts account 4,500. So 4,500. So 31st December by profit and loss account, this will be transferred into the profit and loss account. We will calculate it here. So already to bad debts account, how much? 4,140. So to balance carried on. So now we will calculate this balance. So total 4,500. That working notes here, calculation of so calculation of percentage of provision for bad debts. So now we will provision for you need to, here it is no percentage is given, so now so that's why we are calculated provision for the bad debts. So that is 4,500. so here it is, see the question, 4,500 and divided by 60,000. so 4,000 divided by 4,500 divided by 60,000 into 100, that is 7.5. so 7.5 is the percentage. So what is the total debtors here? 4,680. so already here subtracted 6,000 which is owed, so 6,000, 4,000. so already here it is, calculation of working notes, so you understand easily. So calculation of provision for bad debts. So provision for bad debts percentage, we will calculation of percentage. So calculation of percentage, so we calculate. So already 4,500 given, 60,000 in the first line of the question. So first line of the question into 100. So how much? That is 7.5%. 7.5% we will calculate on data subtracting from the 6,000, that is 40,000. So 40,000 680 minus 680, that is equal to 40,000 into 7.5, that is the bad debts we calculate here. So calculate yourself, 40,000 into 7.5 divided by 100, that is 3,000 to the, so 3,000 will be added here, that is subtracted, that is 4,1, that is 4,006. So 40,000 into 7.5%, that is 3,000. So 3,000 will be posted, that is 4,000 plus 3,000 plus already 4,001 for two bad debt account. So this is the two bad debt account, to balance carried down, that is 3,400 on 7.5% on 40,680. so 680 minus 40,000 subtracted. So that is, I hope you understand, right? So balance clear, 4,000, here it is 7,140. so here it is by balance. So balance carried on here 5,000, so 4,500, that is 4,500 already included in the, here it is respectively provision for bad debts already. So now we stood up, so already balance carried on 4,500. so subtracted it, 7,140 minus 4,500, that is a 2,640. So 2,640, this will be transferred to the profit and loss account. This will be provision for bad transfer to required amount. The same method, just I will calculate like this. So total 7,140. So now we will calculate profit and loss account extracted to bad debts account 3,400. So 3,400 to bad debts. So by bad debts recovery account to provisions of existing provisions for, so bad debts recovery account. So already recovery, here it is 240. So bad debt amount of rupees received, the veteran 240. So 240. So 240 here, 240 provision for existing. So already 2,500. So I will state the profit and loss account statement. So profit and loss account date amount. So by bad debts recovery account, that how much already 240. So provision for bad debts already existing. So existing how much? 4,500. So 4,500 existing less provisions we calculate here 3,920. So here it is already calculated here. So already how much calculated here? 3,000. So 3,000 less existing. So less exist already existing bad provisions. So 4,500. So 3,000 minus 240 is the next column. Okay, you understand clearly. So by bad debts recovery account 240 already there. So 4,500, 3,000. So less provisions we calculated here. That's it. So simple. That no need to no question, no given here other than. So return of 3,460 was written off. Bad debts we can cancel into the provisions. So which is exceeded over here. So 4,000 received on debt. So received on debt to an amount of 240 was now received on debt. That is bad debt loss of wages. So 250 bad debts account written off. So less 4,500 minus 3,000, 2,500. So 1,500 will be transferred here. So calculated. So already two bad debts. Minus 3,920. So this is the transfer. This will be provision required 1,080. So 400 on the already 3,800. So 3,800. That is how we will calculate like this. So how much? Already 4,500 minus 240. So 4,240. So bad debts already 400. So now we will calculate it. So how much is the bad debts here? 4,140. So 4,140 minus 240. So that is 3,900. So 3,900 is the bad debts. So 3,900 is the bad debt. 3,900 is the bad debts. So 3,900 bad debts. Now we will calculate it. Balance sheet exactly. So for already balance sheet. So balance sheet here, assets and liabilities. So we calculated like neatly. Already sundry debtors. How much? That the 40,680. So refer to the question. So refer to the question. So already bad how much amount? 40,680. So 40,680. So 40,680. So 40,680 minus. So bad debts already stood there. Already it has 6,680. So subtracted here 6,080. So how much? 40,000. So 40,000. So all 3,000 will be provision. Already we calculated the provisions, right? So now we will calculate the provision for balance carried on and will be transferred to the. So provision same like the 3,000 will be subtracted. So provision will be for bad debts. We added the question balance carried on. It will be transferred to the 3,000 like subtracted. That is 37,000. So hopefully clear. So remember, I will just work coding here. So we need to maintain neatly in the examination point of view. So that it will be benefit for you. No need to do like this. Just understand the concept here. Problem. I hopefully understand. So I repeat again this problem. On the question again, on the 1st December 2014, the sundry debtors and provisions for bad debts stood up 60,000 and 4,500 respectively. During the year 2015, the bad debts amounting to the 3,460 were written off on 30th June 2015, and the amount of rupees 240 was received on account of debt written off for the written off bad as a last year. So bad of a last year. The debtors listed on 31st to 2015 was verified, and it was found that against sundry debtors amounting rupees 40,680, the Basharam who owed 6,080 was written off as a bad. So written off as a bad. It was decided to maintain the provision for bad debts at the same percentage as it was 31st December 2014. The prepare bad debts accounts and provision for bad debts account and show the relevance items would be appear in the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So we calculate 37,000, we got it. So first of all we calculated here in bad debts. So already to sundry bad debts, how much? The 3,460. I will add it here 3,460. So like this. So next we will already stay Basharam over 680 to bad debts account 680. So total we got 4,440, which will be transferred to the provision for bad account. So debit side. So here it is credit side and will be transferred to the debit side. So bad debts account, provision for bad debts account to bad debts account 4,140 to balance carry down 3,000. So subtracted it. So how the 3,000 we need here, it is no percentage given. So that's why we calculate bad debts are stood up 60,000 divided by 4,500. So 4,500. Here it is calculation of percentage of provision for bad debts whenever not given. So 4,500, 60,000, that is 7.5. 4,680 minus 680, because already sundry debtors on calculated provisions will be calculated like this. So 40,680. Just blindly remember it. 4,680 minus 680, that is 40,000, that is 7.5%. We got 3,000. So it will be transferred to the balance from balance sheet less amount in the profit and loss account. Already profit and loss account, that is 3,900. So 4,680 minus 680, 40,000, that is 37,000. This is the balance sheet as per the 31st March 2013 as per the balance sheet, that is 7,000. So on the note, I hopefully understand. If you understand this question, so please like, share, subscribe for more updates. It will be benefit for you. Thanks for watching. See you again. No need to worry about CMF fraction. Stay tuned and stay safe and start preparing. Thanks for watching.